Change in the concentration of greenhouse gases can cause change in Earth's average surface temperature. What other natural factors or events also can cause long-term change in surface temperature?
Good morning. My name is Svetlana. Scientific analysis and researches indicate that not only human-caused greenhouse gas emission, but also natural resources can can cause long-term change in surface temperature. Now we want to talk about these natural resources. It's like natural causes, like brightness of the sun, volcanic eruption, also Earth's orbit, and warming oceans. I want to start about volcanic eruption. It has been known that volcanic activity can cause short-term variation in climate. But now, new researchers, scientific researchers, have proved that volcanic activity has long-term long-term variation in climate. Scientists from Geomar Helmholtz Center in Germany, together with a colleague from Harvard University, have found evidence that volcanoes cause long-term change in surface temperature. They have studied a major volcanic eruption around the Pacific Ocean over a past 1 million years. The period of high volcanic activities followed fact that global temperature increases and associate rapid ice melting. Now my colleague will tell you about the brightness of the sun, and this goes for
Good morning, class. My name is Konstantin. I just will tell you a couple of words about another cause of global warming in the long term that not caused by humans, but caused by nature. It's the brightness of the sun. This effect is proven causing the long-term changes in our Earth. Brightness variations established sunspot cycle, a series of changes in the sun's magnetisms that are a period of 11 years. Climate models suggest that changes of 0.5% in the sun's brightness would produce global average temperature of 0.5 Celsius over the century. So this is pretty much it.
Hi, my name is Dmitry again. And thank you to my colleagues for the research, and I guess I'll use this knowledge to dispel the myth of global warming, because indeed there is not enough data to prove that global warming is caused by the human activity, and actually it's a natural process, and the major factor of changing the climate, of course, is the solar activity, as Konstantin said, and indeed it fluctuates over a wide range of temperatures, and we can say that over past 300 years it was much colder than today, and it proves that fact that the human activity doesn't have an impact on the global warming, and supporters of the global warming, they think that they're sure the positive about the fact that the global warming is connected with the increase of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and which is not correct, and they're sure, and it's positive that they cannot prove it at this moment.